So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Thursday the 5th of April. Now let's just have a look at pricing, where prices may likely go. So what we are seeing here, we did a brief sell-off from this 133.44. We did come pretty close towards it 128 level. We've had this recovery up towards this 1334.51. Had a successful break from this 1344.26. We weren't able to hold on to this 1344.26. From this 44.26, we did see strong sell side momentum taking us below this 44.26. Had a momentum follow through to the downside, taking us down towards that 34.51. Had a brief move upwards. We weren't able to see the progression here to the upside. We've had a test of the 200 period moving average here from underneath. Had a rejection, seeing the further sell side momentum breaking beyond this 34.51. Had the move down towards that 13.28, where we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, as well as 13.28, and we are currently seeing a break of the 13.28. So if we do see this sell side momentum follow through, continue, we'll be looking for price head down towards that 13.20.25, the very next major level here marked out in red, to see if we do see a bullish bounce back up towards that 13.28. If however we do see the further sell side momentum follow through from this 13.20, the very next levels that we are looking at here to the downside will be a move down towards that 13.58. A break beyond which you're looking for 13.07 and 13.05. A very key important level in around that 13.05, where we'd expect to find support. Potentially, if we do have sufficient volatility here on Thursday, we could see 13.05 coming to focus. If, however, we are able to hold on to the 13.28, or if we do find support at the 13.20, again, we did mention a move back up towards our 13.28. But if we do break back above and hold the 13.28 from where we are at present, we're then looking for progression here to the upside up towards that 13.34.51. Successful break from which we'll look to see our price direct around the 37.50, where we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average. A successful break from there, we're looking for prices to retest this key important level now in around that 13.44.26. And we won't anticipate pricing moving much beyond 13.44.26, but if we did move beyond 13.44.26, 13.50 may just be the far end of the range here to the upside. I can't anticipate 13.57 coming into focus even on a volatile day. So 13.50 may just be the far end of the range here on the XAUUSD. And with that said, let's just have a brief look at the daily chart for wrapping up here on the XAUUSD. So if we have a look at this daily chart here, we can see we're going to an area where we've had a sell side momentum. So we've got our previous highs here. We do appear to be holding a lower high in around 13.57. We've had this brief move upwards. We've had a rejection of 13.44.26. We had a brief move beyond the 13.44.26. But again, as we can see here, by the candle, yesterday we've had a very strong move to the upside, but the entire move was rejected, and we've seen the momentum follow through so far here on the 5th of April. And with that said, that wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.